Hello everyone, welcome back to the next Asterism song from Planet of Metal. Or that Asterism, I mean the music I guess is just Asterism. And that's what we are here for mostly. This one is called the Squid, which it's funny, you know, if you look at the names like the zombie, the robot, the dragon, I can kind of imagine sounds at least, even though it might not be what it actually is. But for the squid, like how does a squid sound? We will see. Let's find out. Here we go. This actually gives me like some underwater feeling. Okay. That bass line. It's almost like a jazz. Is that the bassist? Man, this sounds interesting. This is really fun, but also weird. Kind of like that nice melody, but really heavy background. And then this fun stuff. Very cool. Man, that was interesting. I mean, now I kind of know how a squid sounds. I mean, it actually really could kind of make a connection there with the things they played. This line that's always repeating, kind of tentacly. I don't know. But I have to say, I think this one is my favorite from this so far. I'm not sure, it could be because of different aspects. For one, there's vocals in this. I mean, not the whole time, but there's some vocals which I think, yeah, kind of add just another layer. But it's interesting that it's on this song, because to me, this song, it feels like the most wild one from this EP so far. Like more of that older, shreddier style that I personally, yeah, I really like that. And I was kind of missing it a bit in the first 3 songs, and I thought maybe the first 3 songs, they could actually, maybe you could add vocals to them because they are a little bit reduced. But yeah, anyway, but there's actually vocals on this, so I'm guessing it's the bassist and Hal-Ca. I cannot, I'm really sorry, cannot get his name into my head. But yeah, I mean, fantastic stuff, really cool vibes. This one definitely needs another listen, but man, just, yeah, I really like fun, weird groove. Yeah, I think that's the best way I can describe this. All right, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Like really, this, I would say, definitely my favorite from this EP so far. So curious to hear the zombie. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.